We spent a week at Pullman Ninh Binh, a newly opened luxury hotel with breathtaking panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. With our Core Platinum status, we were upgraded to a 80 square meter or 861 square foot Deluxe Suite on one of the top floors. The living room is spacious and comfortable, with a little welcome gift of sweets. There's a bathroom with a toilet and sink, and the bar with a coffee maker, fridge, and some snacks and drinks for purchase. The bedroom was large with 4 plush pillows, power outlets on each side of the king bed. Behind the bed is a nice-sized desk and chair, and huge closets with the usual 5-star amenities. The bathroom was very roomy with double sinks, a large shower, and a nice tub, with great views through the balcony. The executive lounge is included with the Deluxe Executive or Suites, or with the Core Platinum or Diamond status. Drinks and cookies are available all day, and every evening there's canapes and drinks from 5:30 to 7:30. There's a nice selection of charcuterie, fruit, hot dishes, and desserts. Breakfast is served in the first floor Food Connection restaurant. There's a wide selection of pastries, hot dishes that change daily, bacon and sausages, meats and cheeses, salad, beef and chicken pho, coffee, yogurt and fruits, and various juices. The pho and banh mi's are my favorites. Lunch and dinner are also available in the Food Connection with a variety of drinks and Asian and Western dishes. The Lumi Lounge is another dining choice, with a full bar and smaller menu with different choices than the Food Connection. On the rooftop is the Public Champagne Bar with indoor and outdoor seating with incredible views of the mountains. There are 3 pools. The rooftop pool is the largest and most scenic. There's also an indoor pool on a lower level for those wanting to stay out of the sun, and another outdoor pool nearby. The fitness center is well equipped with the usual high-end machines, free weights, kettlebells, and a separate yoga room. There's also a tennis court on the ground floor just outside the lobby. The Pullman Ninh Binh is my pick for the best luxury hotel in the area. Make sure to visit on your next trip to Ninh Binh.